Hi, we have a new question about how to connect in-market segments and affinity audiences from Google Analytics to Google AdWords. So the question is, how can I export easier those interests in-market segment into AdWords from Google Analytics? First of all, you have to connect these two systems together. So first of all, check our video on YouTube about how to link Google AdWords to Google Analytics. It's a free video online on our channel, on my channel, so find this video and watch it so as to connect Google AdWords with Google Analytics. So that's the first step. Secondly, you have to go to your Analytics account and you have to come here to Audiences. So I selected my property, and then in the property section you go here to Audiences, and you should do these things. First of all, you enable remarketing. So yes, I want to enable remarketing. Next. When you have pressed enable remarketing, then you come to audience destinations and then you select your AdWords account from the list. So here I check the specific AdWords account I want to connect and send the remarketing audiences. And then I press enable, and that's it. Your AdWords is connected with analytics, and you can do remarketing based on your analytics data. So that was the first step. So you go back to the audience pages. So now let's go to new audience, and here we're going to select what we want to do with our audience. So new audience, create new. And then from demographics, you can select, for example, affinity category, shoppers, or any affinity category you're already targeting, or in-market segments you're already targeting. And so from here you can select affinity category like shoppers. These are all the affinity categories we already checked in our analytics demographics. So we select shoppers and then we apply. We select the membership duration, 30 days, 90 days, etc. Put a name like analytics, affinity, shoppers, and then select next step, and again we select the destination. After selecting the destination, you press OK and then publish. So this audience is now published in our Google AdWords audiences. So you come back to your AdWords and then select Share Library, Audiences, and here you can find these two audiences we already created, the all users and of course the analytics affinity shoppers. So you have to wait for these two systems to communicate, and then you can go back to a remarketing campaign and then select in the display network from targeting this selected remarketing list, and here we can find analytics affinity shoppers, and then we can target this specific audience. We found on analytics that it's a great audience we should target. So this audience, just a reminder, it's inside audience, interests, affinity categories. So you can take whatever category you like from these ones and then market segments and then target them using Google AdWords display. It's not as difficult as you think, but you have to master Google Analytics and Google AdWords at the same time to do this connection. And then you have to decide which audience is the best for you. Of course, we have another methodology of doing that manually, and this methodology you are going to find it in Google AdWords Analytics course. Thanks for watching. We are here to help you achieve your goals, and we are here to help you grow.